So in our final experiment here, we're going to talk about this voter ID literacy test that the state of Louisiana used to give to people who couldn't prove that they had at least a 5th grade education. Now you have to realize this is in the 60s, and so was more than likely a way to filter out those undesirable folks from voting, which would have been African American citizens at the time. And so they gave people this literacy test as a way to determine that people could at least read the voting cards. But as you'll see, this literacy test is kind of a hot mess. So there are really 3 pages. I'm just going to have you do the first page. You are to do what you are told in each statement, and nothing more, nothing less. One wrong answer fails you on the test and you can't vote, and you only have 10 minutes to complete 30 items. All right, so think about when you're talking about reading, how well that should work. All right, so what you're going to do to turn this in is complete the first 13 questions here, so you'll list how you completed them. So what did you do when you were asked to draw a line around the number or letter of this sentence? So just a brief explanation of what you did for each one and how it looks. One thing you can do is, if you have access to a printer, you can print this out and take a picture with your smartphone. You can doodle on it using Adobe's Draw feature, or you can just write an explanation. And then what we'll do is we'll post those and see what everyone did differently, because as you'll see, these sentences are extremely ambiguous. And so it's a way to study ambiguity in reading processes.